Take a comfortable breath in and out. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. And bring your awareness to your forehead. On your next exhale, allow any tension you're feeling in your forehead to just soften and melt away. Now bring your attention to your jaw. Breathe out and let it release any tension you're holding on to. Bring your awareness to your shoulders. Inhale, exhale. Just let them drop. Now bring your awareness to your abdomen. Breathe in, breathe out, letting it just loosen. With each breath, soften another part of your body. And just notice how your mind begins to soften too. Take one more deep, easy breath in and a long, releasing breath out. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes and carry this sense of ease with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. I really hope you found it useful. If you did, please let me know in the comment section. Have a great day.